one important thing from all traditions that nowadays we are doing to understand that lavash was not just
Ալաջան, ասա կրակը որ շատ աղար է,
բացատրեցի, հա,
չմտածեք ես հացիրա մեկ հացիրա։
հացը ոնց կարող եք ես գիտեմ։ Հացի ես չասի։
That's just water?
Yeah. It's just water, yeah.
Շատ եմ անում սկզբից, հետո կփչացնեմ։
Still it's hotter than it should be. That's why she's spraying more water. But when she realizes, okay, the temperature is okay, she just drops some on the top. Because it's just hanging there. It's not just hanging. After, to finish my information about traditions of Lavash, a groom and bride, they are married in the church and it is time to go to a restaurant.
Wow!
Yeah, this is it. Previously they would go to groom's house and not
It's all a matter of sun.
Gadincha, inchi koka, perika. Մեր հացը սենց անում եմ, սենց անում։ I'm just sharing this for you, this favorite, just wash my hands. Okay, slices of cheese and any greens that you have in the season, especially green onion goes very good with cheese, coriander, parsley, basil, estragon, whatever. Ce-i dues? Ce dues?
An Armenian
Իրենք պետք է անեն։